Hello friends, welcome you all to our batch of Target UPSC Prelims 2021 brain teaser session. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important brain teaser from geography where you could definitely get a question in the area of match the pair. It is important waterfalls in the world and India. Before that, a geographical important information about what are the waterfalls. So remember, waterfalls are commonly formed in the upper course of river in the young age where lakes fall into a steep mountains. Because of their landscape position, many waterfalls occur over bedrock fed by little contributing area, so they may be ephemeral, that is very short living, and flow only during rainstorm or significant snow melt. Ephemeral waterfalls only flow after a rain or a significant snow melt. They are not running throughout the year. Then what are the various types of waterfall? These are important types of waterfall. Just I think two are not visible. I will just read them. One is plunge waterfall. Second is horsetail. Third one is cataract. Then multi-step, block, cascade, segmented, punch bowl, tiered, and last one is fan waterfall. So these are important waterfall. Now we will try to have an information about the important waterfalls of the world. So first important waterfall of the world, it is Angel Falls. Here remember, location it is in the Guinea Highlands in Bolivar State, southeastern Venezuela on the Churun River. The river is important, it is Churun River. Then this is the highest waterfall in the world. The cataract drops 3,212 feet, that is 979 meters, and is 500 feet, that is 150 meter wide at the base. The diagram or the images of same waterfall. The falls are located in Kanaima National Park. National Park is important. Kanaima National Park and Churun River. Then second is Chojela Falls. Chojela means sudden or starting. Location it is in Drakensberg with Royal Natal National Park in South Africa. It is also regarded as the second highest with 948 meters of height waterfall in the world. Then third one is Jog Falls. Jog Falls is a waterfall on the Sharavati River located in Western Ghats of Sagar Taluka, Shimoga district of the Karnataka. It is second highest plunge waterfall in the India. It is segmented waterfall which depends on rain and season becomes a plunge waterfall. The falls are major attraction for tourists and is ranked 13th in the world by the waterfall database. Then next one is Shivamudram Waterfall. This is a waterfall in Champarajnagar district of Karnataka in India. Here it is situated along the river Kaveri. After the Kaveri river leaves Kodagu hills, after flows into Deccan Plateau, it forms two islands, Srirangapattanam and Shivamudram, and which divides this particular waterfall. At Shivamudram, the river drops 98 meter, forming famous Shivamudram Falls, known separately as Gagana Chukki and Bhara Chukki. It is Asia's first hydroelectric plant built in 1902, was on the left falls and supplied power to the city of Bangalore. Then fifth one is Dwadar Falls. It is important. The Dwadar Falls are located on Narmada River in Bheda Ghat and are 30 meters high in Jabalpur district in the Madhya Pradesh. Here remember, the Narmada River making its way through the world famous marble rocks narrows down and then plunges into a waterfall known as Dwadar. The white marble appears spectacular when the moonlight falls on it and gives it a silver appearance. This fall is an example of Nick Point and represents rejuvenation of the river. Then next one is Sagar Falls. Remember, Sagar Falls literally means a sea of milk, is a four-tiered waterfall located on the Mandavi River in the Indian state of Goa. Sagar Falls is amongst India's tallest waterfalls with a height of almost 310 meters, that is 1017 feet, and an average width of 30 meters, which is 100 feet. The falls is located in the Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Molem National Park among the Western Ghats. The waterfall forms the border between Karnataka and Goa states in Western Ghats. This waterfall is also known as Tamri Surla to some of the local people. The falls are not particularly spectacular during the dry season, but during the monsoon season, however, the falls are fed by rains and forms a huge force of water. Then comes seventh important fall, which is a Niagara Falls. Here remember, Niagara Falls is a group of three waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara, George, spanning the border between provinces of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. These are Niagara Falls. Here remember, it is located between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Niagara Falls was formed when glaciers receded at the end of the Wisconsin glaciation, the last ice age. So here we are getting additional point. Wisconsin glaciation is the last ice age. It comprises of three important waterfalls. Their names are the Horseshoe Waterfalls, the American Falls, and the third one, the Bridal Veil Falls. Then eighth one is important, Victoria Falls. Why it is important? Victoria Falls is a waterfall on the Zambezi River in southern Africa, which provides habitat for several unique species of plants and animals. Here remember, it is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe and is considered to be one of the world's largest waterfall due to its width of 1708 meters, that is 5604 feet. The falls are also referred to as the smoke that thunders and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can just imagine the center from this diagram. You can just look at its width. It is the one of the highest width in the world. Then some important data about the examination from India. Highest waterfalls in India. I'll just take the name. Highest waterfall in India is, first one is, it is Kunchikal Falls. It is in Shimoga district in Karnataka. Its height is 455 meters. Then second one is Barhepani Falls, Mayurbhanj district of Orissa. It has height of 399 meters. Then it is Noha Kalikai Falls. It is East Khasi Hill district of Meghalaya. Height is 340 meters. Then Noshithingai Falls or Mosmai Falls, East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, 315 meters. Then Sagar Falls, Karnataka and Goa, 310 meters. Kanrem Falls, East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, 305 meters. And Meenmutti Falls, Wayanad district of Kerala, 300 meters. So you can see the highest falls are found in the Meghalaya district, specifically in the Garo Khasi Jaintia hills. Now about the highest waterfalls in the world. First it is Angel Falls. I won't go into the height, just go through the height. I will tell you the country. First it is Angel Falls, Venezuela. Tugela Fall, South Africa. Tres Hermana Falls, Peru. Oloyupiana Falls, United States. Then Yumbila Falls, Peru. Vinnufossen Falls, Norway. Then Balafossen Falls, Norway. Pukau Falls, United States. Then James Bruce Falls, Canada. Brown Fall, New Zealand. And last one is Strupenfossen Falls, Norway. So all these are important falls in the world. Just go through all these important things. Definitely could get a question in the maths pair. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much. We'll meet soon in tomorrow morning. Have a good day. Thank you.